By now, moving between scenes using tap and jump should feel pretty easy. Let's quickly add a few tap and jump interactions. One jump to the chat scene, one to go back to the home scene, and one to make a call. Now, let's make the keyboard UI respond naturally when the user types. In the chat scene, let's begin by selecting the input field and adding a focus trigger. This detects when the user taps to start or finish typing, and ProtoPie will automatically bring up the keyboard. Next, let's make the icons and input field changes according to focus in or out. Use opacity responses to hide or show the icons, and a scale response on the message input container so it expands when the keyboard is active and shrinks back when the keyboard is hidden. Did you notice how the keyboard hides the chat area when it appears? To fix this, we'll add a move response on the entire contents container to move the content according to the keyboard height, using the predefined keyboard height variable. Now, when the input field is focused in, the chat UI slide up by the keyboard's height, and slide back down when focus is out, so the keyboard won't hide the chat area. And that's it! Now your keyboard UI is fully responsive, simple, smooth, and ready to use.